this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect guitar to FL Studio Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are using FL Studio Mobile, you can easily connect a guitar or any other instruments. To do this, you will need the correct adapters and ideally an audio interface. Although you might be able to bypass this, it is going to be by far the best option for most people, so I would highly recommend acquiring an audio interface if you don't have one. The interface is going to be the bridge between the guitar and your phone running FL Studio Mobile. Now, you will most likely need specific cables depending on the model of audio interface that you are using. In this example, I have highlighted the Focusrite Scarlett, but of course, various others will exist on the market, and the cable that you need to use for your specific audio interface is going to depend. For this one, you will use one of the USB-C ports for power, so you plug this into any standard wall outlet with a power brick. And once it is receiving power, the other USB-C end can be used to actually connect it to your phone. So you plug one end of a USB cable into the interface and the other one into your mobile device running FL Studio Mobile. And you might need to use adapters depending on the interface that you have. Some older interfaces might not have a USB-C port. In that case, you might need to use a USB-B to USB-A cable. And because of this, you need one of these hubs that has a USB-A port that you can connect into your phone. Again, it's going to depend entirely on the interface that you are using. I'm trying to be as generalistic as possible, but it's important that you check the instructions for your specific audio interface. After all of that is done, you can use an instrument cable, plug it into your guitar, and then the other end of the cable goes into the audio interface. Once this connection is established, you can open an app like GarageBand and start recording. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.